Alicia here again, and today I have another quick and easy recipe for you. Today I have a low-carb crustless pumpkin pie recipe. I know that there's a lot of people that are on a low-carb diet, but they still want to be able to have something for the holidays that fits into that lifestyle. And I think this recipe is absolutely delicious and would be great for like Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever. So I thought I would go ahead and show you how I make my low-carb crustless pumpkin pie. Let me get started and I will show you the ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna go over the ingredients real quick here. First is 1 can, 15 ounces of pumpkin. Then 4 eggs, half cup of milk, 1/4 cup of stevia, but you can use Splenda, whatever type of sweetener you want to use. 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And that is all that you need to make this. So I will show you the next step. So now we're just going to add all our ingredients into a mixer, or if you want to use a hand mixer or just a whisk or something, you can just put it in a bowl and mix it up that way. But I'm going to use my KitchenAid because why not? So put the pumpkin in, eggs in, milk in, stevia in, vanilla, and my pumpkin pie spice and salt. And then I'm gonna just beat that up. That looks like that's pretty well mixed up. So now I'm going to spray my dish with some cooking spray. This is just a 8x8 dish. And I'm just gonna pour this in here. Kind of smooth it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna just bake this in my preheated oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. And I'll check it. And basically you wanna cook it until you can put like a toothpick in and it comes out clean. Here it is out of the oven. I ended up cooking it for about 50 minutes. And I let it cool so that I could cut a piece out of it and show you what it looks like plated up. So here it is on a plate. And I just put some whipped topping on it. You can eat it plain or, you know, use whipping cream, Cool Whip, whatever you want to do on here, whatever you would put on your pumpkin pie. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will try this recipe, and I will see you on the next one.